The Bayraktar KIZILELMA has achieved another significant milestone in its development after successfully completing a system identification flight test. This stage is one of the most crucial in the combat drone program, as it verifies and validates all of the aircraft's system characteristics while operational in the air. The system identification flight test aims to collect data on aerodynamics, engine performance, flight control response, and interactions between key subsystems. During this phase, the aircraft is tested in various flight profiles, from low speeds to near its designed operational limits. The collected data is then compared with simulation models to ensure that the aircraft's behavior aligns with previous technical calculations. One of the most prominent aspects of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA is its aerodynamic design. The fuselage is designed with specific angles to reduce radar signature. The swept wing configuration and smooth fuselage support the stealth concept while enhancing stability at high speeds. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA is designed to achieve high speeds, even approaching the transonic regime. This distinguishes it from conventional UAVs, which generally operate at low subsonic speeds. This greater speed and maneuverability give the KIZILELMA flexibility. In various mission scenarios, the Bayraktar's key advancement lies in its artificial intelligence-powered flight control system. AI algorithms enable the aircraft to make semi-autonomous decisions. From flight stabilization and route planning to threat response, the Bayraktar KIZILELMA is designed as a multi-role combat platform. This aircraft is capable of carrying various types of precision munitions for both air-to-ground and air-to-air missions. This capability opens up the possibility of using the KIZILELMA not only as a strike aircraft but also as a supporting element in air defense. In a man-to-man teaming scenario, the KIZILELMA can operate alongside manned fighter aircraft, acting as a forward reconnaissance aircraft, disrupting air defenses, or even as a primary strike force on high-value targets. This concept reflects the development of modern air doctrine, which increasingly relies on the collaboration of humans and autonomous systems. The KIZILELMA's success in various flight test phases, including system identification tests, demonstrates a mature level of system integration. Each test was conducted to verify the performance of the aerodynamics, engine, avionics, and control software. The results of these tests serve as the basis for further refinements before entering the operational phase. The KIZILELMA's advanced capabilities have significant strategic implications for Turkey. This platform strengthens the independence of national defense technology while enhancing deterrence in the region. By mastering high-performance UCAV technology, Turkey is positioning itself alongside advanced nations in the development of next-generation air systems. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA is one of the most ambitious projects in the Turkish defense industry and symbolizes a technological leap into the era of high-performance unmanned combat aircraft. This platform is designed as a next-generation unmanned combat aerial vehicle (UCAV) that not only relies on strike capabilities but also boasts sophisticated systems, high speed, and stealth characteristics to meet the challenges of modern air warfare. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA represents the future of air warfare, where technological sophistication, autonomy, and system integration are key. With its stealthy design, high performance, artificial intelligence, and multi-role combat capabilities, the KIZILELMA is not just a combat drone, but a symbol of the transformation of modern air power. Its successful development confirms that the era of high-performance unmanned combat aircraft has begun, and Turkey is at the forefront of this change. For Bayraktar, the success of this phase demonstrates that the flight control system, sensors, and software architecture are operating in synchronization and stability. This is crucial, given that KIZILELMA is designed as a high-performance UCAV capable of operating in modern combat environments, including scenarios with complex air defense threats. KIZILELMA itself is an ambitious Turkish project to develop an unmanned combat aircraft with stealth characteristics, high speed, and the ability to carry a wide range of weapons, payloads. This platform is projected to be capable of both air-to-air and air-to-air missions, and to operate alongside manned fighter aircraft in a man-to-man teaming concept. Then system identification tests. Engineers monitor the aircraft's response to control commands, maneuvers, and changing flight conditions. Bayraktar KIZILELMA's successful completion of this test indicates that the aerodynamic parameters and control algorithms are within expected limits. This also paves the way for further test phases, such as extreme performance testing, weapons integration, and simulated combat mission evaluation. For military observers, this flight test marks the transition of the KIZILELMA from the experimental stage to the pre-operational phase. The more technical parameters validated in the air, the lower the risks during production and field deployment. This also increases the confidence of potential users, both domestically and in potential export markets. Beyond the technical aspects, this success also has political and strategic implications. Mastery of advanced UCAV technology gives Turkey greater flexibility in maintaining air sovereignty, reduces dependence on foreign platforms, and strengthens its bargaining power in international defense cooperation. The KIZILELMA is seen as a symbol of the transformation of the Turkish defense industry toward a high level of technological independence. Going forward, following the successful completion of the system identification flight test, the focus of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA's development will shift to more complex follow-up testing. This includes aggressive maneuvering tests, sensor and radar testing, weapons system integration, and evaluating operational capabilities in modern combat scenarios. Each stage will bring the KIZILELMA closer to operational readiness. With this achievement, the Bayraktar KIZILELMA not only demonstrates technical progress but also sends a strong signal to the world that the era of high-performance unmanned combat aircraft is approaching. The successful system identification flight test lays a crucial foundation for the platform's future and strengthens Turkey's position as a leading player in global air defense technology development